All right, today we're back in the kitchen and we are making a high protein breakfast frittata. This is so simple to make. It's only got 4 ingredients. Let's get into it. So to begin with, just crack your 1 egg straight in. We're then adding in our 1/2 cup of egg whites and 100 grams of our cottage cheese straight in. And from there, mixing it through until we get a nice consistency. As you can see, I've already prepped up 2, purely because this cottage cheese is 200 grams, 2 individual servings. So from there, we're just gonna add a little bit of our veg on top. So I've just got some onions, some capsicum, and I'll just add some spinach into the mix as well. Once you've done that, just stir it through. And then we're just gonna add our cheese on top at the end. So for the final touches, just chucking your cheese on top. Make sure we're using low-fat mozzarella cheese. From there, we're chucking it into the oven at 200 degrees, around about 5 to 10 minutes until the egg is fully cooked. All right, from here, straight in the oven, 200 degrees, and just keep an eye on them and just wait until the egg and the mixture is fully cooked through. And there you go, high protein breakfast frittata, 324 calories with 42 grams of protein. As you can see, not a bad way to start the day. Be sure to give this one a go. And also, when you do take it out, to know that it is cooked, grab yourself a knife, chuck it through the middle, and as long as nothing comes out the other side, you're ready to rock and roll. Not bad.